GMT in every practical sense rose 21.99% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Bears control GMT's, especially current cost activities, in a very significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN basically is floating at $315,095,195. Current STEPN cost certainly is $0.32 20 January 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, most certainly gotten clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is exceptionally transient cost expectation for STEPN. Essentially is GMT a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us fundamentally discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,634,390,721,246, which basically shows that bears control GMT's certainly current cost activities, which in a real sense is very huge. The exceptionally absolute exchanging volume most certainly remains at $57,055,176,489, or so they most certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%. By and large further appearance, how GMT generally rose 21.99% in 7 days incredibly. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time span in a truly significant manner. Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana, basically is somewhere near 2.93 and presently exchanging at $91.67 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Moreover, XRP came to 55 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0% in esteem in an essentially significant way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a truly descending heading for kind of momentary in a significant manner. As of now, a genuinely broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a for the most part huge manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to recognize key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. By and large further appearance, how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%. Truly further appearance how GMT in a real sense rose 21.99% in 7 days in a sort of significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers by and large become in every practical sense all the more fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling and especially further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which dealers truly become move genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which essentially is genuinely huge. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in a real sense is at 32 cents, down 6.45% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 21.99% over the course of the week in a very large manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $315,095,195.00 United States dollars, while by and large all-out market cap came to $445,935,315 United States dollars, showing how current STEPN cost most certainly is $0.32 20 January 2024. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for STEPN, fundamentally is GMT a genuinely wise interest in an essentially significant manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 1,385,950,707 sort of are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, which really shows that similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which vendors generally move essentially dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which is very huge. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 20 January 2024, insight in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of beneath, exhibiting that stepn backing and opposition backing and obstruction, fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Sort of additional appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%. Pretty further appearance how GMT generally rose 21.99% in 7 days, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving most certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving truly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the STEPN. Exhibiting that the really all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $57,055,176,489 in a sort of huge manner. The especially relative strength record, RSI, shows that the GMT coin explicitly is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 37, exhibiting that market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246, which in every practical sense shows that bears control GMT's most certainly current cost activities, which sort of is very huge. While GMT's Williams percent R pointer sort of is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign generally is truly conceivable at this reach, which really shows what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, or so they thought. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, which most certainly is genuinely huge. STEPN financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday graph in an unobtrusive manner in fact. The STEPN in a